Yeah, they must be coming, and they're coming from the back, through the back. Marek, turn around, man. Oh, they're going all the way back, and they're just going to come back from back here. What do you think? Yeah, I'm hungry too. Over there. Almost.
Oh, so sorry.
No problem.
Oh, yes.
I think she's going to come over there.
Here.
No. Look at how many people are standing on the stairs. Oh my gosh, that's crazy, yo. Look at that. Kenya, how do you comment current events? I guess we should clap, right? Take everybody's time, that's good. Hello. She looks young.
Madam Secretary, dear colleagues, ladies and gentlemen, it's really a great pleasure, as well as an honor, to welcome you here today to the European Parliament. To make the success of this future, it is vital that the European Union and the United States work closely together, and that we tackle the problems we share in common. Ladies and gentlemen, the U.S. Secretary of State, Hillary Rodham Clinton.
Thank you so much, President Pottering. It is wonderful to be here, and I also want to thank Secretary General Romer and the parliamentarians who have joined us. But I am most excited about having the opportunity to engage in a conversation with, as the President said, the next generation of Europeans. That is my hope, and that is what I am committed to working toward. Thank you very much, and I welcome your questions.